Most people think paying on the due date makes them responsible. They think the bank will respect them. They think their credit score will be happy. But what if I told you the due date is designed to make you fail? Imagine a normal person. They wake up, go to work, check their phone, and see a message. Payment due in 3 days. They feel safe. 3 days is a lot of time, right? They decide to pay on the due date because that's what everyone does. But that small decision quietly costs them money. It quietly damages their financial future. And the bank smiles. Let me tell you a story. A young man gets his first credit card. He's excited. He feels rich. He buys groceries, a phone, clothes. He thinks, I'll pay on the due date. No problem. The due date comes. He pays at night, after dinner. He thinks everything is fine. But the payment posts late. Interest is charged. A small fee appears. He ignores it. Next month, it happens again and again. One day, he checks his credit score. It dropped. He feels confused. I always paid on time, but the bank system didn't see it that way.
Banks love due dates because humans love procrastination. The due date gives you permission to delay. It whispers, you still have time, and humans listen. Here is the truth. Banks make money when you wait. They make money from interest. They make money from late fees. They make money when your credit score is weak. A weak credit score makes you pay more. Higher interest on loans, higher insurance, fewer opportunities. And the cycle continues. Most people think banks want you to be rich. No, banks want you to be predictable. They want you to spend. They want you to delay. They want you to struggle, because struggling customers are profitable customers. Now, imagine a woman. She is a mother. She has a small salary. She uses credit cards for emergencies. She always pays on the due date. She feels proud. But every month, interest eats her money. She never understands why her balance never goes down. She feels trapped. She feels tired. She feels powerless. She prays for a better life, but nobody taught her how money systems really work. Due dates are psychological traps. They create false comfort. They create delayed action. They create financial mistakes. The smartest people never wait for the due date. They pay early. They automate. They control the system. Now, listen carefully. This is how the system works. When you pay early, your credit utilization drops. Your score increases. Your interest reduces. When you pay on the due date, you risk processing delays. You risk missed deadlines. You risk interest charges. And banks win. Most people don't fail financially because they are lazy. They fail because nobody explained the game. Schools teach math. Schools teach science. But schools never teach money psychology. So people learn from mistakes. And mistakes are expensive. Imagine two people. Person A pays everything early. Person B pays everything on the due date. After 10 years, Person A has lower interest, better credit score, more opportunities. Person B has higher debt, lower score, more stress, same salary. Different habits. Money is not emotional, but humans are. Banks design systems for emotional humans. They know people procrastinate. They know people forget. They know people delay. So they design due dates. One day, a man realizes this. He changes one habit. He pays everything early. He tracks his spending. After years, he buys a house. He buys a car. He sleeps peacefully. Not because he was rich, but because he understood the system. Most people think financial freedom is about earning more, but it's about keeping more. A small fee today becomes a big loss tomorrow. Now imagine 2026. You open your banking app. Your debt is low. Your savings are growing. Your credit score is high. You feel powerful. You feel safe. You feel free. Now imagine the opposite. You still pay on the due date. You still see hidden charges. You still feel confused. Both futures exist. The difference is one habit. Banks will never explain this to you because knowledge reduces profit. But now you know. Stop waiting for the due date. Pay early. Automate payments. Track spending. Small actions, massive future. One day your future self will thank you. One day your children will live peacefully. One day money will stop controlling your life. But it starts today. The due date is not your friend. It is a system designed for delay, and delay is expensive. If this video helped you, remember this. Banks play a game, but you can learn the rules, and when you know the rules, you win.